how to get Microsoft Word for Windows 11 and use it for free. So let's get started. Now, all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Store in your Windows 11. Now, after you open up and you land on your home page, now navigate to the search bar and simply search for Microsoft Word in the search bar. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will land with multiple search results. Scroll down a bit and there you will find this Microsoft 365 Office, which is an application you can use for free in your Windows 11, which consists an Office package. So to use Microsoft Word for free in Windows 11, you have to install this Microsoft 365 Office. Since I have already installed it in my Windows 11, so I can simply open it up. If you haven't installed it yet, click on install button, and depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time to get installed. After that, set up in your Windows 11 and then you can use Microsoft Word for free in your Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.